What's going on, guys? East Coast Garage, back with another video on the Salvage Rebuild 2016 Cruze. So as you can see behind me, we've got a bunch of parts in. We've been waiting for all these to come in for the last week or so. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything, show you everything we got, and I'm gonna break down the pricing of what each item cost us. So let's get into it. First we have radiator. Brand new. The price on the radiator was $70.68. And we also had to get an AC condenser. AC condenser was $51.69. We also got the lower grill. There's three grills on the car. There's a top little one, and then a bigger one, and this is the very lowest one right across the bottom. So this price on that grill was $44. Next item we had to get both passenger side and driver side fog light bezels. These don't have the fog lights in them, but it's just a cover that goes in the bumper. We had to get driver side and passenger side. So those fog light bezels were $67.38 each. Then we had to get a bunch of little stuff. We had to get a hose. It was $19. One of the marker lights was busted, so we had to get one of those. That was $30. The connector for it was ripped right off, so we had to get one of these connectors for it. That was also $35. This is the bumper bracket, so this bolts onto the fender and the bumper clips into this, which keeps the bumper tight up against the car. So this bracket was $20.21. Both radiator mounts were snapped, so we needed to get new radiator mounts. We have two of those. They came with the rubber bushings here. So those brackets for both of them were $20, so $10 a piece. So next item we have So we had to get this fan shroud here, fan and shroud, electric fan. So the price on that fan and shroud, $96.68. So if you remember, one of the rims I showed in the other video was all smashed up. So we went to a junkyard and got a new rim and tire, and we also didn't have one of the hubcaps. So we got a matching hubcap. So all of this was $100. Alright, then we got the big box here. Let's pop this open and see what we got. So in here, we got this is the driver's side. Looks pretty good. Now this is the passenger side fender. Passenger side fender. And also the driver's side fender. Looks pretty good. One more item. Yeah. A new front bumper. Right there. Oh yeah, so I forgot to tell you how much each fender is. So the fenders were $46.64 each, and the front bumper was $257. So I'll add all that up, and I'll put the number at the end of this video, or right now while I'm talking, to what we paid for everything all added up. There was $222 in shipping charges for all of this. We got a lot of these items online. A few of the smaller stuff we got at the dealership. They could get it quicker. Some of the smaller items we couldn't find online, or they couldn't get them as fast as the dealership could, and the prices were comparable between online and the dealership. Here we got everything laid out. Take another look at it. We're only waiting for one piece. There's a piece that goes on the radiator that the hose hooks onto, and it's back ordered from the dealership. So we're waiting for that to come in, and after that comes in, we'll have everything, and hopefully this weekend we can start putting some of the stuff together, figuring out how we're going to get the bumper and fenders painted, and there's still some body work that we need to do. I've been working on a little bit there. There's a little bit over there. So there's still a few things that we have to do for the body. We took the rear bumper off. It wasn't quite sitting right, so we adjusted some of these brackets here, and we'll throw that back on. I think everything, there's no damage to the bumper, so I think it was just that bracket that was a little misaligned. There's no damage anywhere in here. Everything's straight and looks good here, so we'll be able to throw that back on as well and start making some progress on putting this thing back together. So you can kind of see it on the video when I'm showing the parts and how much they cost. So I didn't really realize all the damage on these parts until I stopped recording and really started looking them over. So you can see that little dent right there, and then there's some gouging right here on this fender, and then over here on this one there's a bunch of gouging right there, right here, here. And then on the front bumper, it's like totally out of shape. Like it's twisted and not the right shape at all. So I've been in contact with UPS and the company that I bought these parts from, trying to figure out what they want to do about them. I mean, because obviously I don't really want to pay for damaged parts, but I mean, they're all fixable, and it would probably set us back 2 weeks if we had to send these parts back and get new parts sent to us, and then who knows how those parts are going to come in. So it could be the whole same story all over again, which is just going to set us back farther and farther. So we'll keep you posted on what happens with UPS and the online company. If they just reimburse me for the cost of these parts, I'll spend the money to fix them. If I don't have to pay for the parts, but I have to pay to fix them, then it's kind of a wash, and it doesn't really matter. But yeah, we'll keep you posted, and thanks for watching.